Section 1. How to integrate Flagstone with intelliflo. Step 1. Install the Flagstone app. Open intelliflo store. Find the Flagstone app, or search Flagstone in the search bar. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Install. Step 2. Connecting Flagstone to intelliflo. Open Flagstone's referral portal and go to the Integrations tab. You'll see intelliflo under Available Integrations. Click Connect. Please consent to data transfer between Flagstone and intelliflo. You might be redirected to intelliflo to sign in. You'll see a confirmation message when the two platforms have connected. Step 3. Create a Flagstone plan for each client in intelliflo. In a new tab in your browser, open intelliflo Office. Go to Advisor Workplace. You'll see a list of your clients. Open a client profile. Under Client Actions, select Add Plan. Double-check the name of the selling advisor. For provider, select Flagstone. For product type, select Cash Deposit. Choose the relevant advice type for your client. Add the lump sum amount. To save those details, scroll to the bottom of the window and click Add. The client profile has now been updated. To finish the setup, we need to add the policy number in intelliflo, which is the same as the client's Flagstone reference number. Go back to Flagstone Referral Portal. Go to the Referred Clients tab. Find the same client and copy the client reference number. Go back to intelliflo and paste it in the policy number field. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Section 4. Having more questions? Go to the Help tab in the Flagstone Referral Portal. Scroll down the FAQs and find intelliflo. For further information, please contact your dedicated Business Development Manager or contact businessdevelopment@flagstoneim.com.